Hey YouTube, what's going on? Today we're going to be doing a quick review of the Indian Stage 1 intake along with the T.A.B Performance BAM sticks with the Zombie Baffles. I had these both installed on my bike at the 500 mile service, and so far after 500 miles of having them both on there, I really like the way my bike sounds. It's not super obnoxious and it's not super loud, but it has a really good rumble and it sounds really good to me. So we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you what it sounds like now, and then I'll roll the old footage of what it sounded like before when it was stock. All right, here we go. Here's the bike as it looks like now. Here's that Stage 1 intake from Indian. And I kept the stock headers and I didn't do the cat delete. I kept that on there, but I did have the BAM sticks installed. And this is what they look like now. All right, the bike's in neutral. We're getting ready, and here we go. Bike's in neutral. I'm getting ready, and here we go. So yeah, as you can see, there is a difference, and I'm really super happy with the way my bike sounds now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and keep checking back. We'll have more later. Thank you.